Hello students, I hope you all are well. So now from today we are going to start a new chapter. Yes, I'm your teacher Jyotsna. I'm taking your maths. So now 12 chapter symmetry and patterns we are going to start. Okay, it's a very simple chapter, very short chapter. So in this video we'll finish off this chapter. Okay, so watch it carefully. So first topic is symmetrical shape. What are the symmetrical shapes? Okay, if any shape, if I am dividing into, if I am folding them, if they are overlapping to each other. See here, one square I have, if I am folding this shape from here, so the both the part from the both the side it is looking same, means it is overlapping to each other. So these type of shapes are called symmetrical shape. One more example I have. See this triangle. I have one triangle here. If I am folding this triangle, so it is overlapping to each other. Yes, both the part are symmetrical. So these are called symmetrical shape. Yes. So what are the symmetrical shape? So what are the symmetrical shape? The shapes that you can fold into equal parts are called symmetrical shapes. Okay. So for example, I am making few symmetrical shapes here. If you will fold this shape from this line, so you will get the same part. Yes, you will get the same part. So this is the symmetrical shape. One more, the leaf I am making here. If you will divide this shape, this leaf from here, so both the part will be similar. So this is also symmetrical shape. So like apple shape. If you will cut this apple from here, or you can divide this apple into two parts, so you will get the similar. So these are called the symmetrical shape. Okay. The opposite of symmetrical shape is non-symmetrical shape, or you can say asymmetrical. Asymmetrical and non-symmetrical both are the similar word. Okay. What are the asymmetrical and what are the non-symmetrical? If you will fold the shape, so you will get the different parts. Like this. I have one triangle in my hand. If I will fold this triangle, I am folding it. See. So, if I am folding this triangle, this part is not equal to this part. Yes, both are the different part. This part is not equal to this part. Both are the different parts. So, this triangle is a asymmetrical, or you can say non-symmetrical. For example, if I am making one flower, I am making here. And one another thing I am making here. See here. Now I am dividing it into two parts. And in this also I am dividing into two parts. So in this flower you will get the same part on the both sides. But in this shape, this is not similar. Yes, this is different and this one is different. So this is called non-symmetrical, or you can say asymmetrical. And this is called the symmetrical shapes. Clear? If you will divide any shape into two parts, if both the parts are same, then those are called the symmetrical. If the both parts are different, those are called non-symmetrical or asymmetrical. So see in your book here, page number 62, few symmetrical shapes are there. Yes, if you will divide these shapes, you will get both the similar parts. So these are the symmetrical shape. And now non-symmetrical shape. here. These are the non-symmetrical shape. If you will divide this shape into two parts, you will not get the similar. If I am dividing this, you will not get similar. If I am dividing this G here, so you will not get the similar part. Here also don't, they are not similar. Yes, if I am dividing this car from here, so you will not get the similar part. If I am dividing this cup, you will not get the similar part, because in one side you have one handle, the other side you don't have. Yes, if I am dividing this 3 from here, so you will not get the symmetry, but if you will dividing from here, so you can get the symmetry part. Okay, so these are the symmetrical and non-symmetrical. Now look, let's try one. It's very simple. Color the symmetrical shapes. Now how you will find that is it symmetrical or non-symmetrical? So for this you have to take one scale and pencil and just divide this shape from between. If both the parts are similar, then it's a symmetrical. So this is symmetrical, you will color this. This one is also symmetrical. But if you will divide this here from here, then it will be symmetrical. Okay, this is also symmetrical, this one symmetrical, this one symmetrical, this one also, this is also symmetrical, this is non-symmetrical, this is symmetrical, H is symmetrical, this is non-symmetrical, this one is symmetrical, this one is non-symmetrical. Yes, this is non-symmetrical, this one is also symmetrical. If you will divide it from here, so you will get the similar part. So it's a symmetrical shape. Okay, so you have to finish it on your own. It's very simple. Just draw the line and see the both the part are similar or not. So you have to color the only symmetrical shapes. Now come on to our next topic, line of symmetry. Line of symmetry is the next topic. So what are the line of symmetry? The line of symmetry can be defined as the imaginary line. It's an imaginary line that passes through the center of the image and divided into two equal parts. Yes, what is the line of symmetry? It's an imaginary line. It's an imaginary line that is passes through the center of any shape and divide the shape into two equal parts. That is called the line of symmetry. Okay, so now how we'll find the line of symmetry? Now look here, in this rectangle, the line of symmetry we have, if you will divide this rectangle from here, so you will get this part and this part, and both the part are similar. So this is also line of symmetry here. And if you will divide it from here, from this line, if you will divide this rectangle, again you will get the similar part. This part and this part should be similar. So this is also line of symmetry here. So in rectangle we have two line of symmetry. Yes. Now come on this flower. In this flower, if you will divide this flower from here, this part is similar to this one. Yes. Now if I am dividing this flower from here, this part is similar to this one. If I am dividing from here, this part is similar to this one. If I am dividing from here, this part is similar to this one. If I am dividing from here, this part is similar to this one. So how many line of symmetry we have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 line of symmetry we have in this flower, and this is the 5. Yes, fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means from 5 side we can divide this flower into 2 equal parts. There is a 5 way to divide this flower into 2 equal parts. And for this example, you can make a flower, you can cut the flower and just fold it. Okay. So now come on this apple. If this apple shape, if I am dividing from here, so you will get the similar part. This part is similar to this one. So this is the line of symmetry. If from here also, if I am dividing this apple from here, so this part is similar to the upper part. So this is also the line of symmetry. So in this shape we have two line of symmetry, 1 and 2. So in different shape, in different symmetrical shapes only. Line of symmetry you will find only symmetrical shapes, because only the symmetrical shapes are those shapes if I fold them, If I divide them into two parts, then you will get the same shape. And what is the line of symmetry? That line from where we are dividing it. See, I shown you one triangle. Yes, I have one triangle. I am dividing this triangle from here. So this is the line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry, because from here, if I am dividing this triangle into two parts, so I will get the same part. One part and two similar part I will get. So this is the line of symmetry, this triangle. If I am dividing this triangle from here, so are you getting the similar part? This part is similar to this one? No. So this is not the line of symmetry. What are the line of symmetry? Line of symmetry is this line. Line of symmetry is an imaginary line if it passes through the center of the shape and divide the shape into two equal parts. So it is only this line is dividing this shape into two equal parts. If I am folding it from here, so you will not get the similar part. So this is not the line of symmetry. What is the line of symmetry for this shape? This is the line of symmetry for this shape. Okay. For the same way, just look here. If I am talking about this is a rectangle shape. Yes. So I can divide this rectangle into two parts from here. Let's divide it. Yes. So now one part and two part, both similar part. So this is the line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry. And what is the other line of symmetry you can get? If I am dividing this from here. This is also line of symmetry you will get. Yes. So in a rectangle, two line of symmetry we have, one and the two. Clear? But if you will divide it from here, see, then you will not get the equal parts. Yes. So in a rectangle, only two line of symmetry, one and two. Clear? Line of symmetry is a line which divides the shape into two equal parts. Now come on this triangle. I gave you example the similar triangle. Now come on this shape 3. If I am dividing this 3 from here, so you will not get the similar shape. This part is not equal to this. But if I am dividing this 3 from here, so you will get the similar part. Which part you will get? This one, and upside also you will get the similar part. So number 3 has only one line of symmetry. Clear to everyone what is the line of symmetry? The line of symmetry is an imaginary line which passes through the center of the shape and divide the shape into two equal parts. That is called line of symmetry. Clear? So now let's come to a next topic. So now look here, page number 64 of your book. Yes, I think it is visible to you. Now line of symmetry. Look here, line of symmetry can be vertical, horizontal or diagonal. Okay, it can be into any direction. Now come on, the one figure can have more than one line of symmetry. Means it's not fixed that it has only one line of symmetry. It can have more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or many line of symmetry like this. In rectangle we have two line of symmetry. In square we have 1, 2, 3, 4 line of symmetry. In H shape we have two line of symmetry. In this plus shape also we have two line of symmetry. In this triangle we have 1, 2 and 3. In this flower so many. Here also. And now come on this. Two more most important points. Just underline these 2 points everyone. The line of symmetry is also called the mirror line. The line of symmetry is also called the mirror line. Mirror means whenever you will see the mirror, the same image you will see the other side also. Yes, that is the mirror image. Yes, what is the means of mirror image? When we'll see the mirror, जब आप शीशे में देखते हैं, जब आप मिरर में देखते हैं, तो आप क्यों देखते हैं? क्योंकि आप जैसे हैं सिमिलर आपको वहाँ नजर आता है. The same thing you will get the other side. So that is called the line of symmetry is also called the mirror line. Clear? A circle has infinite line of symmetry. So many. A circle has infinite. We are doing let's try to. So let's read the question. Find the figure that have lines of symmetry and then draw all the possible lines of symmetry. Okay. First we have to find the figure that have line of symmetry. Means if we will divide that figure into two parts, so both the parts should be same. And then we have to draw the all possible, how many line of symmetries are there for that shape. So now first is oval shape is there. So how many line of symmetries have? 2. If you will divide this oval shape from here, so you will get the two similar part. You can divide this from here also, you will get the similar. This half moon is also line of symmetry 1 only. This is a line of symmetry for this half moon. Now this rhombus shape, or you can say diamond shape, you can divide it into from here also and from here also. This is asymmetrical. Yes. Now come on this shape. We can divide this shape from here also. So you will get the two both the similar part, and you can divide it from here also. You will get the both the similar part. This is asymmetrical. This is also asymmetrical. Now come on this triangle. You can divide it from here. You can divide it from here into two equal parts, and you can divide it into two equal parts from here also. So it has three line of symmetry. Now come on this shape. One, you can divide it from here and you can divide it from here. Now this arrow shape, you can divide it from here. So this part will be equal to the this part. Got it? Now come on the next question. Color the above shape according to the following color scheme. Now they have given the shape with one line of symmetry. Means we have to draw the shape of one line of symmetry. Means there should be only one line to divide that shape into two equal parts. So that shape we have to color with yellow color. Shape with two line of symmetry we have to color with red color. Shape with more than two lines of symmetry we have to color with green color. So I am doing this problem on the board. So now first is shape with one line of symmetry. We have to color with yellow. So shape with one line of symmetry. It has only one line of symmetry. From here only we can divide the shape into two equal parts. This one also. So you have to draw these two shapes in your book here. Small shapes you can draw here, and you have to color these shapes yellow color. Now come on the second one. Shapes with two line of symmetry means there should be two lines where we can divide the shape into two equal parts. In this one we can divide it into two equal parts from here, and from here also you can divide this shape into two equal parts. This shape from here you can divide, and from here you can divide. This one also from here and from here. This one from here and from here. So these shapes you have to color with red color. Yes, these shapes you have to color with red. You can draw two shapes or three shapes, or you can draw the four shapes. Now next is shapes with more than two line of symmetry. More than two lines of symmetry you can draw here. This triangle, one line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, three line of symmetry. Yes. And what else shape you can draw? You can draw the flower shape also. You can draw the circle. This flower shape also. You can divide it here. You can divide it here. So these you have to color with green color. Clear? So this is the question number 1B. Okay, this is question number 1B. Now come on the next question. Check if the line of symmetry is correct. If not, correct them. So is the line of symmetry correct? Yes. If you will divide this star, if you will fold this star from this line, so you will get the similar shape. This is also correct. So is it correct or not? No, it's a asymmetrical shape. Yes. So now come on the next one. So next, this is also correct. Yes, this is the correct line. We can divide it from here, and from here also we can divide. But it is correct also. But it is not correct. It's a symmetrical shape, but the line of symmetry is not correct. So where you can draw the line of symmetry here? See here, where you will draw. If you will divide this star from here, then it will be the correct line of symmetry. You will get the similar part from the both side. Okay, so you have to make it correct. Okay, clear? So now drawing mirror halves. Mirror halves means this is a line of symmetry, or you can say line of mirror. The one side image is there and you have to draw the same image on the other side. Means the mirror image you have to draw. So it's a very simple. Similar image you have to draw here. This is called mirror halves. Okay. Very simple. Yes. So in let's try 3, you have to make the similar diagram. Like one side they have made, the other side you have to complete on your own. Clear to everyone? Now question number 2. This. Draw any shape of half of the grid, then complete it by drawing the mirror half of the other side of the dotted line. So here you can draw any shape. You can choose any one shape from here, or if you want to draw on your own, you can draw it on your own. Okay, so now next is symmetry and pattern. Symmetry and pattern. What is the pattern? Pattern means when the same thing is repeated again and again, then it's make a pattern. Like in a bed sheet we have sometime we pattern. Yes, your mama's sari we have loads of pattern. Fabric we have lots of pattern. So what is the pattern? If the same thing is repeated again and again, then it is called a pattern. So now our next topic is pattern. So look at the board. I have made few picture here. So in this, what is happening here? One triangle, then is one triangle, then circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, and triangle. Yes. So it is called a pattern. Means the same thing is happening again and again in same manner. So this is called a pattern. So it's a pattern. Now look here. What is happening here? 2 down curve, then 1 star, then 2 down curve, 1 star, 2 down curve, 1 star. Now look here. Now 2 down curve should be come here. Yes, because everywhere 2 down curve, then star, 2 down curve, 1 star, 2 down curve, 1 star. But here we have up star. So it is not a pattern. क्योंकि इसकी वजह से पैटर्न क्या हो गया है? खराब हो गया है. Similar thing is not repeating again and again. यहाँ पे changes आ गए. So it is not a pattern. Okay, clear? So pattern में क्या होता है? What is a pattern? When the same thing is repeated again and again, that is called a pattern. See in your book, one beautiful pattern is there in your book. See, similar in each box they have same image. So this is called a pattern. You can see the pattern in your mama's sari, in hankies also. Sometimes they are made beautiful border with a pattern. Okay, so these are called the pattern. Now look here. Let's try 4. Each pattern is made from small tiles. Shade the missing tile to make each pattern symmetrical. Now they have, this is a line of symmetry. Yes, this is the line of symmetry. And now they have made, if you will see this pattern and this pattern, line of symmetry means the both the pattern should be the same. Yes, so look here. Which tile is missing here? Which is not colored here? This tile is missing here, which is not colored. This one. So you have to color this tile, this one, and which tile? This one. Then in here also, see, so I'm using the pencil. This tile you have to color. And in this row, this one you have to color. In this row 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, both the things are colored. So similar, this is similar, this is similar. So these two tiles you have to color. Now come here. In this shape, starting from this box, this is the line of symmetry, means this part should be the similar to this one. So this is both the color here, both the color here. This is whole empty. One last is colored, last is colored here. In this, one last is colored, one last is colored here. Now in this, 1 and 2. Here 1 is colored, but this is not colored. So you have to color this. Clear? Now in this is similar, this is similar, but here you have to color this tile. Clear? So in this manner you have to color the tile to make the same pattern. Here also this is the line of symmetry, so this part should be similar to this. So we will check in this way. Both are empty. Here one is filled, but here is nothing is filled here, so we have to fill here. Now both the in this row similar, this row is also similar, this row is not similar to this because this tile is color but this is not colored, so we have to color this to make it similar. This is whole empty, this is similar, this is similar. Clear? In this manner this should be similar to this one, so we'll check from the top. Both are similar. In this part this is not similar, so we have to color this. Clear? Now this is similar to this one, this is similar to this one is similar to this one, this is whole empty, this is similar to this one, no, this is filled but this is not filled, so we have to fill it. This is similar to this one. So what is the right manner to do this? First you have to see the line of symmetry, then you have to check if both the part are same or not. Okay, from if the line of symmetry is this, we will check in this manner. If the line of symmetry is this, we will check in this manner. Both the sides should be the same. Very simple. Now color some tiles to make the pattern symmetrical about the line of symmetry. The same pattern you have to make here, over here. Clear? So you can do it on your own. You can make the simple patterns. And here also you have to do the same thing. Okay, same pattern you have to make there. So what we have read in this chapter, symmetrical shapes. The shapes which can divide it into two equal parts are called symmetrical shapes. Asymmetrical shapes, if we'll divide the shape into two parts, so both the parts are not equal. Symmetry in real life. Symmetry in real life, like leaf we have, butterfly we have, snowflakes we have. Yes, patterns, repeated shapes, or you can say the things which are happening, same thing is happening again and again, that is a pattern. Okay, line of symmetry, the line, the imaginary line which divides the shape into two equal parts is a line of symmetry. Drawing mirror have mirror image means the same thing you have to draw the other side also, that is a mirror image. So that is all about this chapter. It's a very simple chapter. Yes, in one video this chapter has been over. If still you have any confusion, I will take your doubt session, don't worry, and the homework I will send to the WhatsApp. Bye bye, take care.